All right, it's Wednesday, August 20th. I'm buying some Meta here at 738.15, and this is an example of a counter trade opportunity. I bought it here at the close of this big green bar. So you can see intraday it kind of came down with setting a negative tone on bar number 2, pause, try to make a secondary push, and then we had a big green bar. So I'm going to buy it here, just seeing if we could, extend higher a little bit. And I know it has to get through the midpoint of this first bar in order for it to really sustain itself. So I'm going to watch that closely for context. It's possible that, we don't get that reversal today, but I think it should have a little bit of follow through anyway, at least to set up a no risk scenario. The key thing here, though, is if you're going to take a trade like this and see if it heads higher, you want the overall trend to be up. So if we go to the weekly chart, we know that the overall trend's up on this stock. And then the daily chart came down and kind of took out this pivot low into this gap where you would expect, a potential reversal. Now, obviously, we're going to have to see a little green bar here or some kind of a hammer bar and then a 2 up to confirm that. But this could be the first sign, kind of attempted 2 pushes down into an area where it could reverse with a big green bar. And we'll just see if it heads a little higher, set up an overtrade trade. If we can get through the midpoint of this opening bar, then we could be starting to possibly get that big reversal day to the upside. So let's just see if we get a little bit of follow through here, set up an overtrade trade, if this can become the low of the day, and possibly the start. And then we'll know by the end of the day if this becomes a big reversal bar on Meta.